Today's video, we're going to replace the battery in a 2023 Nissan Altima. So take the key fob and turn it over, and there's a sliding button here that we're going to slide to the right and hold down with our thumb, and we're going to pull out the emergency key. Once we have that out, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. And if you look at the bottom of the remote, there's these little indentions here on both sides. So you need to put the screwdriver in one of these indentions and just give it a turn, okay? And then we'll crack the remote open. Do it on both sides, all right? And you can work your way around and just open the remote up. On the back cover is where the battery is located. So we're just going to pry it out here using one of these openings that you have right here. And I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a, let's see, CR2032 battery. It says it real small in this battery here. But the positive side, okay, you should have a positive side and a negative side. Usually they're labeled. It just faces down in this key fob, okay? Now you want to stick it, you see these contacts here? You want to stick it on the contacts first and then slide it in, lock it in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link, takes you to Amazon where you can get one if you need one. Get the two halves, start at the top, push them together, and work your way down. You hear it click. Merge the key back in and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That would be great and wonderful and terrific. Hope to see you in another video.